A strong low-pressure system is moving across the Midwest, bringing heavy rain and damaging winds. The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for several states, including Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. Sustained winds of up to 40 miles per hour are expected, with gusts reaching as high as 60 miles per hour. The warning is in effect until 10 p.m. tonight, and residents are advised to secure outdoor furniture and decorations. Power outages are possible, and travelers are urged to exercise caution on the roads. The storm is expected to move eastward, bringing heavy rain and strong winds to the northeast by tomorrow morning. Residents are advised to stay tuned to local news and weather reports for updates. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.